Hey YouTube. So I'm out here replacing the thermostat in my truck. For those of you who like to do a little shade tree mechanic work, this is the thermostat that goes in between your neck and your intake. As you can tell, this is a Ford. If you look really closely, you can see where it says to radiator, and then it has a little arrow going that way. RAD means radiator. That's this big square thing up in front here. When you install it like this, that's backwards. It's supposed to install like this. If you're curious, this is your radiator hose. The genius that had this truck before me apparently didn't understand that, and now I'm wondering if the truck has been overheated and I'm going to have a head gasket problem, because that's not something you can fix in your driveway. When in doubt, read the instructions. Okay, I got both bolts tightened down, and let me tell you, it's so much fun getting past that water pump boss. But we don't have enough time to meet a rant about engineers. Anyway, one last note. These intakes are aluminum. You can't crank down on these bolts. Snug them up, give them 1/8 of a turn, and leave them. You're putting a steel bolt into an aluminum intake. You strip out those threads, and trust me, I've done it, and you're basically going to tow this thing in to have a helicoil put in. If you're going to put antifreeze in your car, don't pour in the straight stuff. You need to mix it first. In order to do that, you need one of these. This is an atomic weight tester. This will tell you what the freezing point of the antifreeze is. If you're not using glycol-based antifreeze, don't use these, they won't work. And as you can see by the arrow, this is only rated to 12 below. Now you can see this is rated for 40 below. To save yourself some guesswork, take a Sharpie, write the date and the rating. That way you're not guessing. Because 6 months from now, you won't remember. And there you go. As you can see, there aren't any leaks. You're supposed to get the air bubbles out of this upper hose. Don't stick your fingers past this fan shroud, because there's a bunch of big steel blades back there that are just waiting to take your fingertips off.